The other day, I showed people how to turn a ping pong ball into a fried egg like Zach King in Filmora, and everybody asked for more. So today I figured I'd show you how to slice a carrot like Zach King. If you want to learn how to do this in Filmora9, stick around. I'll show you how.
Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be part of the conversation.
This is actually a really easy trick to pull off in Filmora. You can do this with a carrot, an onion, whatever you want to chop up. All you need to do is make sure you set up your shot so it's well lit and things don't move within the frame. You're going to need two pieces of footage. One of you actually showing the carrot to the camera and then tossing it onto a very specific spot on your cutting board or surface that you're going to use. Make sure you remove your hand before that item makes contact with the cutting board or surface. The next shot you'll need is that same item chopped up, and you're going to throw that at the same spot that the carrot hit. And you want to make sure your hands are removed from the scene before they make contact as well. Then all you need to do is take the second piece of footage, find right where they make a connection, which is somewhat easy to tell just by looking at the waveform in the audio track for this particular footage, and slice your footage right there. Remove the excess before it, and then go back to the track where you're throwing the carrot and do the exact same thing. Find that spot where the carrot really makes contact, which you can also tend to see by the same audio spike, and slice your footage there. Now let's remove the space between the two by clicking on that space to highlight it and hitting delete on our keyboard. Now if we look at our footage, we should see that carrot come in, make contact against that back wall, and smash right into 1,000 pieces. One more thing you can do to really help sell this effect is go up to the Effects tab, go down to Filters, and in the drop-down menu, choose Shake. Let's grab this up and down one motion and bring it down into a track right above where our split happens. Now we only need a little portion of this. I'm going to split that and get rid of the extra. I'm going to left click on this and I'm going to dial back this motion quite a bit. We're going to replicate a slight camera shake from the carrot actually hitting the cutting board and counter. Let's have that shake start right when that carrot really touches onto the cutting board, right about there, and only have it last for a few frames afterwards. This will just give a little extra reality to this effect and make it feel like there's some real weight to this carrot as it hits the surface. Pretty cool, huh? If you want to learn more Filmora tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure you click on the video that's on screen now or the ones I'll pin down below. Peace.